around. Our VIPs will not bite, I assure you.
Le 14 juillet, le jour de la Bastille, c'est la fête nationale de la France. Partout dans le monde où vivent les Français, ils fêtent cette journée historique. 14 July, the Bastille Day, is the French National Day. Wherever French people are in the world, they celebrate this historic day. In Ghana, every year, this day is celebrated at the French Embassy, and I have had the honor of being invited for the past 3 years. Let me walk you through this year's experience. It started with an invitation from the ambassador, to which of course I responded, Bien sûr, oui! I traveled all the way from Accra to the capital. 6 hours journey it was, pour fêter cette belle soirée. You can just walk into the embassy, so of course there is a security check. Once you go past the security check, you're welcomed with the beautiful sounds of drumming and dancing. I got busy dancing and didn't wait to be recorded, so we'll take this one like that. Next, you walk into a warm welcome by the ambassador and his entourage. One of the things I like about French events is the display of the culture of the indigenous people. This beautiful entourage is from the northern region of Ghana. You can't help but love it, right? And now we walk into the midst of people from various countries, languages, culture, all here to join the French celebrate their special day. The MC, Coquille Salome, was nothing short of amazing. Wow! Beautiful, eloquent, bilingual, and oh, what a beautiful voice. Hear her sing Ghana's national anthem. Then followed an address by the France ambassador to Ghana, Son Excellence Wilhemina Cornelia. After that, the MC, Coquille Salome, with her melodious voice, sang the French national anthem, La Marseillaise. Followed by an address by Madame Lydia Akamvariba, Minister of State in charge of the public sector reforms. At this point, my phone was tired and decided to sleep, so I had to switch devices. Let's take what is left like that. But the show continues, right? France is known for so many things. One of that is fashion, la mode. And Ghanaian fashion designers, you can trust them to deliver a great job. I got to watch my first fashion show ever, themed sustainable fashion. Fashion made out of recycled materials. And yes, here you can hear me shouting, Nipedia, Nipedia, Nipedia. when you're in the midst of French people or a French event and you hear the local language being spoken, you're gonna get excited, wouldn't you? Nipadia means the human body, the human being. Literally, Nipa is human and Gia is tree, so the human tree, but we're not tree, so the human body. And I just enjoyed this whole fashion show from different designers. It was amazing, beautiful to behold. Then to the dance floor. They always have Ghanaian musicians doing live performances every year. This is actually the second time I've seen the high life legend Bessa Simons doing this, and the people enjoyed it. And oh, for the first time, I gathered the courage to speak to the ambassador, son excellence, Jules Armand Anyambosu. Oh, he's such a warm and welcoming personality. You know, I didn't master courage. I was actually pulled back. I walked away and I was pulled back by my husband, who was my date for the night. He pulled me back. He said, today you're gonna talk to him. You're gonna get over this and talk. Yeah, we had a brief chat and then a picture with him. Yeah. The night continued with chats, dances, meeting friends, making new acquaintances, taking pictures, eating some French snacks, and more. I enjoyed every bit of it because this year I really went with full energy to enjoy the whole event. And that is how we ended now.
Passez une très bonne et belle soirée. Merci à l'ambassade de France pour l'invitation. Vive la France, vive le Ghana, vive la coopération.